Hey guys, the LG G8 was announced at MWC 2019 on 24th February. The MWC 2020 is on its way. Many smartphone manufacturers like Samsung, LG, Sony and more will showcase their new smartphones in MWC 2020. One of the expected announcements is LG's new line of flagship smartphones which correspond to the LG G9. Recently, we got leaked CAD renders of the upcoming LG G9. These leaked CAD renders reveal quite a lot about LG's upcoming flagship device. So let's talk about LG G9. But before that, if you are watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press that bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to LG G9. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. From these CAD renders, we get a good idea about the design of LG G9, even though specifications of LG G9 is still a mystery. Talking about the renders, here we get to see the front, back and sides of the smartphone. The front of the device looks like it will come with a bezel-less design. We can see a small notch for the front camera, so no fancy punch holes or in-screen cameras here. The bezels are very small and overall it's a bezel-less design. The leaked information claims the display will come in somewhere between 6.7 and 6.9 inches with the 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Bottom chin is also very small here. Now let's talk about the back panel. Back panel will have glass design. It looks very decent. There's a quad rear camera setup. It is a centered and horizontally mounted quad camera setup. It looks similar to the camera module of Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. Apart from this quad camera setup, there's nothing on the back and that's why the back panel looks clean. There is no fingerprint scanner on the back and the side also doesn't contain one. That means it will have an in-display fingerprint scanner. It could be an optical fingerprint scanner or an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So that's pretty much everything for now about LG G9. LG G9 is expected in MWC 2020 which will be happening in February 2020. So get excited for that. With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press the bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.